Why are quarterly inspections important for an automatic sprinkler system? The great majority of sprinkler documentation obtained by an insured is from annual inspections, which are tests conducted by a sprinkler contractor. These are not the same as quarterly inspections. A quarterly inspection is one done by the authority having jurisdiction, typically the sprinkler contractor. Important elements for quarterly inspections are the condition of the control valves supervisory devices, and water flow alarms. These inspections are a standard requirement according to NFPA 25, standard for testing and maintenance for water-based fire protection systems. Thanks for watching Underwriter's Corner, brought to you by MSO. Please like and share this video to help our channel grow. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content for insurance professionals like you.